All right. Hey, what's going on, brothers and sisters? This is Andre Simpson with Young Black Wealth Builders on Facebook here. Also, with Generational Wealth Builders Team, which is our business. And today, y'all, I just want to tell you real quickly why we're coming out with a newsletter, and we're calling it Buy Black, Think Black. And the reason why is because nobody wants to talk about these things. Nobody wants to address black economics. I don't know why everybody's scared of it. Nobody wants to talk about it. Nobody wants to confront the issue of supporting black businesses. So we're coming out with a newsletter. It's just a one page. It's nothing huge. It's just a one page newsletter. It's called Buy Black, Think Black. So you have no problem identifying what this newsletter is about. Okay, so it will be distributed, online. We're also going to distribute it throughout the Tampa area as of right now. We're just getting started, and any vendors out there that have just a little business card, if you want to start advertising on there, our this newsletter is geared towards supporting black business owners and educating our people on why it's okay to support black businesses. Right now, we're just laying the foundation of why we need to support black businesses. So, because people need to understand why it's important and what difference it's going to make. You can't just say support black businesses. You can't just say have a newspaper that talks about this, that, and that, and then put a few business cards in the back, because we don't care about that. We've been so conditioned to giving our money to everybody else, right? This ice is colder than this ice. Black people do business bad. And we don't see why it's important to keep that money flowing in our community. And I'll tell you in an explicit way why it's important. And this is why. If you cut my artery, I love using this example. I got it from a book. If you cut my artery right now, and all my blood is spurting out all over the place, guess what? In about 30 seconds, 30, 40 seconds, I don't know, I'm not a doctor, but I know at some point in time throughout the day I'm going to die, right? And that's what's going on in the black communities when there's no circulation of the money in the African American community, in the black community. I'm going to end this video in 30 seconds. So in the black community, our money only circulates one time compared to other communities. So that's our major goal, is to get the dollar flipping more than once in the Tampa black community. That's our mission. More than once, more than twice. We got to get it up to 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 times. If we can do that, you're going to start seeing black businesses exploding. You're going to see a lot of wealthy people come about in the community. And we're not going to make you wealthy if you're not going to give back into the community. So that's very, very important. Gotta go. Support the newsletter. Get in touch with us. Our phone number should be down below if you want to advertise. It's just 25 bucks a month to put it, and it ain't going up. Okay, 25 bucks a month to advertise, unless the demand gets so huge that we can't meet it. But we want to keep it right at 25 bucks a month. So if you want to be involved in that, put your business card in there. I gotta go because I'm over my 30 seconds. Give me a shout. Talk to you later. Bye bye. All right, now if I can find the button to push stop, then I'll be good to go.